Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Karani Builders. In this video we are going to hopefully fit the door pads and fit the glass. So let's get started. In this video we are going to complete whole interior. Here is the top beddings are also installed. This door is completely installed with the door pad and all the beddings. This door is not installed. The glass is installed, as you can see. And this door is also installed completely with the door pad and all the mirrors. here the work is completed. As you can see, the wiper grill and wipers are installed. The windshield is installed. The interior is fully completed. As you can see, the door pads are installed. With dashboard, all the door pads are installed. In rear, all the tail lights are installed. So interior is fully completed. In the next video, we are going to give it a wash and complete the exterior work. So thank you for watching my video. This is going to be the end of this video. Okay, bye.